Hi, and welcome to PK Pioneer Tutorials. Today we will show you how to add a new product in Shopify from your computer. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Products. Here on top right corner of your page you can see button Add Product, click on it. Now we will add our product name as random product along with its description. If you don't have all the data of product, keep it in draft, but we will change our product status to active. After that you will select the product image, product vendor, product collection or category. Now comes the cost, price and compare at price. Remember that compare at price is the full price and compare at price is always greater than price, which is discounted price. You can add SKU or UPC according to your organization standards along with the product quantity. To get exact shipping rates you have to add exact product weight. Now we will create some product options or variant. It can be anything. Here we will add an option named size having values large, medium and small. Add another option named color having values black, pink and red. Now we will click on Save button on top right corner in green color. Sometimes it takes longer than usual or gives server error, but don't worry, just click on Save button again once it's enabled. Now you know how to create a product. Please like, share and subscribe.